This time what we're going to be looking at is how do I help someone go from a seated position in a wheelchair or in a chair onto another surface. Now we're using a bed. We could be in the bathroom, at the toilet. I've got to figure out how to get this body over here. The most important thing is keeping me safe. I'm the care partner. If something happens to me, all bets off. I also want to know the skill set of the person I'm helping and what are my main focus areas on this particular thing. If my goal is to help this person get here and they want to get there, then I may eliminate some of the pieces that go into getting ready if we're really focused on the transfer, which means I may sit down because it's safer for me to do the sitting rather than standing to get this armrest off, taking the armrest off and moving it out of the way, then coming back, and the next thing I want to do is help her lean forward. Now, it's tempting to try to just do it from here, but notice what happens to my back. And for somebody who's a little anxious about me leaning in, it causes her to actually lean back more. I'm going to step to the side, block with my inner thigh, this knee. I'm going to motion her forward. I might even use some hand under hand here. Help her get to where her weight has shifted from her back and her bottom to more up here toward the front of the chair. Now, I am going to bring the legs out. And the way I did that, I came down and I did a little lift right here. That means I'm barely lifting and she brings her feet out because of a gravity assist. Now, I am going to ask her to put a hand on this hip and a hand on that hip. I want her down low on me so she stays forward and contained. I'm going to take my hands and I'm going to put them behind. Notice when I went down, my back stayed back and she came forward. I'm down here in the middle of her trunk. I'm going to rock back. Oh, one additional piece. I've got both of my knees blocking the near knee to the bend. That's called the pivot. I'm going to have her hands here and here. I'm going to rock back. That immediately puts the weight on her feet, and I'm going to let her bottom come forward. So she's on the front edge of the chair. That way we'll clear the wheels of the chair, the legs of the chair. Again, a very easy lift and move forward slightly so that her foot is under her knee, hands to the hips. Her head is facing this way so that her bottom will easily go that way. These two are connected, and I want to make sure this one has the shortest distance to travel. Again, I lean back and I start to pivot. She goes with me. I bring this foot back, lean forward and reposition. And she is now safely sitting in the bed.